Good morning, everyone, or afternoon, or evening, whatever time it is for you. I am going to show you guys my home tour. It's not going to be perfect, but this is my home. Well, this is going to be my living room tour. As you can see, the colors in my living room are black, white, and gold, with just a little bit of pink in that picture and in the flowers that I bought. So let's get started. If I will tell you where things came from if I remember. Right now I'm standing in the corner of my room, of my living room by my door. I'm using all natural lighting, so I hope that you all are able to see it. But that is my living room. I have an obsession with black, so that's the color that I chose, because I just love black. I love gold as well, but black is my absolute favorite color. And I will tell you guys that when I was decorating and picking everything, I wanted black couches. Went on to Wayfair to order the black couches because things look different online than they do, in person. Thought the couches that I have were black. Turns out they were dark gray. All right, so here is this basket that I got from Target 2 years ago, maybe even 3 years ago, from their after Christmas clearance sale. I paid $10 for it because it was on clearance for half off. I also got that throw blanket from Target for $3. So I like to shop on a budget. I don't believe in spending all that money, on things that you can get for a decent price and they look the same. These curtains I got from Target online. Can't remember the price of them, but I got those from Target. I got the curtain rod from Burlington. Most of my items will come from Target, Burlington, Ross, Wayfair. That's just my front door. That clock I've had for so long that I don't even remember where I got it from. Over there in the corner is a vase that I got from Home Goods. It was maybe $30. I like it. And then I just have some leaves in there that are from Z Gallery. The store here and where I live was going out of business, so I got those at 30% off. And then this is my TV wall. Step back. I got those pictures from the at-home store. Recently, I just got those from the at-home store. I was looking for something. I actually have almost completely transformed my living room. It was really, when I first moved here, I didn't know kind of what I wanted, so I just bought things, and I had some Coco made me do it, and I think Vogue or something about Vogue, and I didn't want that anymore. I think I would like that if it was in maybe a beauty room. I don't have a beauty room, but I'm just saying, or maybe a teenage girl's room. I wanted to do something more abstract and adult like. So those are the pictures that I got from at home. They were $50 a piece. And then we just have our TV mounted. I don't know the color of this paint. I wanted to say that because I'm a renter. I don't know the color of this paint. It was painted this color when I moved in. It's not my favorite color, but it works with the gold accents that I use. So it's okay, but it's not a paint color that I would have chosen. Right here, I just have 3 candlesticks. I got those from the at-home store on clearance. Can't remember what I paid for them. I just picked up this floral arrangement yesterday from Home Goods. I just wanted to add some color since it is summer. Just a pop of pink, since it's the summertime. This statue I got from Burlington. I absolutely love it. It's so different and unique that, I wanted it, had to have it. Over here is a candle holder that I got from Walmart. And then this console table is from Target, the infamous mirror console table from Target that I got. Excuse the cords, we're moving this year, so I'm not even trying to hide them, okay? And then down here, I have this phone that I got from Ross. And I just added some little rhinestones to it. And then I have these 2 decorative books that I got from a local store here where I live. And now here are these 2 decorative boxes that I got from TJ Maxx. I just keep in here my remotes. Yeah, so those are the 2. They're both the same. The larger one has lips on it as well. And then over here in this corner, I just have another candle holder. And then my lampshade's crooked. Let me fix that. So there is my mirrored lamp that I got from Ross. They were $30. This mirrored photo frame I got like for 99 cents from, I can't even remember. This tray came from Walmart. Now these tables I have had for forever. I got 2 of them for $30 off of Craigslist. And then this is the wall above my couch. Oh man, yeah, I'm gonna do my pillows first. All right, so this is my couch with pillows on it. And again, my couch set is from Wayfair. It's dark gray and it has studs in it. It's kind of tufted, almost like a Chesterfield sofa, except for it's not, the seats aren't tufted, I don't think. On a Chesterfield sofa they are. So these pillows came from, this cream color in the back came from At Home. This black and gold one was from Ross. It came in the 2-pack. And then I just bought this gold pillow yesterday from Ross in a 2-pack for $14.99. And then I just have the same thing over here. This furry throw. This came from Home Goods during the Christmas season, so I just threw it on there. Alright. And then I just have the same thing on this side. That's my dining room. So I have the same thing on this side. And those mirrors that you're seeing were gifted to me by my mom. And then the picture in the middle I got from Burlington. I want to move the picture down some, but I just haven't gotten around to that. So it is what it is. So that's that. And then you have my love seat over here. And it just has, since it's smaller, I didn't want to do the pillows in front, so I just did it that way. Alright, and then let's go back to my table. So this is my coffee table. I got it from Target. It was part of the same collection as the mirrored console tables. I love this table, but I'm looking for a new one. And on this table, I just have some orchids from Ross and some coasters that I got from TJ Maxx. That clock is from the At Home store, and then that's just a Dollar Tree snuffer. And then we have this jar. I think I got this jar from Home Goods with just some little decorative balls from Ross. And then there is the infamous Z Gallery perfume bottle. And then I just have some more decorative books that I got from a local store, and that spear is from Ross. And then this is the favorite piece, my favorite piece of my living room, my rug. Oh, I am in love with my rug, and I mean, I just love it. I got it from Wayfair for, it was about $110, and it's a 5x7, and I just love it. It blends my room together so well, because it has the dark gray and light gray and black and gold and this light beigeish grayish tan color. So it was perfect. When I found it on Wayfair, I was like, I have to have it. It goes perfect. It's gonna mesh together. I actually had a fur rug down before, but I was over fur. It leaves such a residue on I had fur pillows on my couch, and it would just be fur everywhere all over my couch, and I really kind of went fur overboard, so I had to fix it. So this is what I got, and I really do love it. Okay, so this is my console table that I have as you enter my home. Okay, and I'm just walking around my couch so that you can really get a good look at it. So this is my gallery wall. All of the pictures were purchased from Burlington, and the mirror I got from Craigslist, and those two placards that say home and girl power were from Target. So that is my gallery wall. I love it. And then I just have a candle burning because I love candles. It's the watermelon lemonade scent from Bath and Body Works. This gold box was gifted to me for Christmas, and I keep my keys in there. And then we have this. Sorry, we're getting delivery, so that's what I'm looking at. We have this bowl that I got from Home Goods. It was on clearance for $7, and so I just put some of the decorative stuff in there from Ross. And then we have my Z Gallery ginger jars. Oh, these are a fave of mine. I've wanted these for a long time, and I was finally able to get them because, again, the store near me was going out of business, and so I got the larger one. I got the smaller one for 50% off and got the larger one for 30% off, and I just absolutely love them. I wasn't a big ginger jar fan, but these are just amazing. I absolutely love them. And so I just grabbed some florals that I had from Christmas that I bought from the At Home store. They were on clearance, and I just put them in there. And you can't even tell that they're Christmas. They really go well with the decor. So that's what I did, and I just love them. And then I just like how I have my top sitting. I just love everything about it. I'm sorry, you can guys can see my house shoes in there. And then I got these candle holders from Ross during the holiday season this year. I like them too a lot. And then this little thing I got from, I think I got it from At Home. Oh no, I got it from Ross. It was $1.99. And I really like that as well. I like it. Again, this is just another Target console table. And so that is my gallery wall. And I really like it. So you see, I tried to incorporate all of my colors, staying with my color theme. And then let me hang it over here. So that is my living room. I hope you guys like it. I mean, I love it. It might be too much for some, not enough for others, but for me, it is perfect. It's what I wanted. Oh, I forgot to mention the ottoman. So I got this ottoman from a store called Bob's Furniture, and it was $80. This was the first thing I bought when I knew that I wanted to do glam as my decor. This was the first thing that I purchased. Well, no, it was the second thing. The first thing I bought were my lamps, and so I got that, and it was $80. And so this is my living room, you all. I really Love, love, love my living room. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna be moving this year, so I wanted to get this out and record it because I may be doing all new things in my new space. So I wanted to make sure that I had this and put it out there for you guys. So if you are watching this video and you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow my channel. I will get better with time. I promise you guys. I promise. It will get better. If you leave comments below, let me know what you like. Let me know if you have some of these things. Let me know if it looks cohesive to you. I mean, tell me, girl, I love it. Girl, you should not do this. Let me, as long as it's constructive criticism, I am open to it. Let me know what you guys think. I wanted to do black, white, and gold because I didn't see a lot of people doing black, white, and gold on YouTube, actually. A lot of people are doing neutrals. A lot of people are doing gray. I did not see a lot of black, white, and gold on YouTube, so I kind of just, went for it because these are my favorite colors. So this is it. I love it, love it, love it. So please like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions about anything that I did not cover. I hope I covered everything. Go ahead and leave me that comment below and I will respond to you. But thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video.